Have you ever wondered how the brain of your computer, the CPU, is made? It's a masterpiece of engineering, combining science, precision, and cutting-edge technology. Today, let's break down the fascinating process of how a CPU is made, from sand to silicon to the powerhouse of your computer. It all starts with something surprisingly simple: sand. Specifically, a type of sand rich in silicon dioxide. This sand is heated to around 1,700 degrees Celsius, 3,092 degrees Fahrenheit, to extract pure silicon. This silicon is the foundation for all modern CPUs. Through a process called the Czochralski method, the molten silicon is transformed into a large cylindrical crystal known as an ingot, the starting point of your CPU. Next, the ingot is sliced into ultra-thin wafers, each about 1 millimeter thick. These wafers serve as the base where millions, even billions, of tiny transistors will be placed. These wafers must be polished to perfection. Any defect can cause the entire CPU to malfunction. Now comes the most delicate step: photolithography. This is where the blueprint of the CPU is printed onto the wafer. A layer of light-sensitive material called photoresist is applied. Using ultraviolet light and high-precision lenses, intricate circuits are etched onto the surface. This process is repeated dozens of times to build multi-layered transistors, the building blocks of a CPU. Next, unwanted silicon is etched away using plasma or chemicals. This creates tiny pathways for electricity to flow. Then, through ion implantation, or doping, different elements like boron or phosphorus are added. This step adjusts the electrical properties, allowing transistors to switch on and off with precision. Once the circuits are complete, the wafer is cut into individual chips. But the process doesn't stop there. Each chip undergoes rigorous testing for speed, power efficiency, and defects. Only the best-performing CPUs are graded as high-end. Others may become more affordable models, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Finally, the chip is packaged to protect it from damage and to ensure it can communicate with the rest of the computer. From humble grains of sand to the beating heart of your computer, making a CPU is an extraordinary fusion of science and technology. And the next time you boot up your system, remember, the power in your hands started as a speck of sand. If you found this breakdown fascinating, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the technology shaping our world.